ignition.
Okay, so I want to do an unboxing here of the A6600, which I just got today, and then it came with the Sigma. This is the 30mm 1.4 lens, and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this in back of the tripod. So we got instructions. I'm going to put the Sigma over here for now. We got instructions. We got the camera strap. We got the, I guess this is an eye mount, like a harder one. USB cable. Is this, yeah, USB micro for charging. We have the power plug, or the plug. We have the awesome Z battery. So I actually have an A7 III, which this is being recorded on right now. And it's going to be nice that both of these get to go off the same battery. Okay. So here is the A7 III. Look at that bad boy. Looks nice. I'm so excited about this, of why I got it. I got it for two reasons, and that grip feels good. The first reason is I needed a B-roll camera, and I've seen people use these cameras with the A7 III, and they match up perfectly. And plus, with the battery, it's like they share the same battery. You don't have to deal with multiple chargers and all that. But the other part is this. I mean, how great is that? That's just amazing. So, I'm excited to try that out. I actually got a mount here. I forget what it's called. But basically, it's going to mount to keep the microphone over here or on the side. And that way it won't be in front of here. So, I am so excited to try this camera out. Okay, so now that's all unboxed, let's unbox the lens. So this is the Sigma 30mm 1.4. You got instructions here. More instructions. And no idea what that is. More paperwork. And then you have the lens. Okay, so you got the lens with the lens hood. So let's put this on. There we go. So let's see how this looks on the camera. Okay. So we'll match the dots up. There we go. I mean, look at how small. So much lighter than my A7 III. Has a good feel. I'm really looking forward to to trying this out and comparing the footage So especially with this lens, I've seen some really good videos with it. It's very cinematic. Plus, I want to try this lens on the A7 III, as well as on the A7 III right now. This is being filmed on a 28mm to 75, and I want to try that on this guy. So look for future videos with those two, comparing them, just so you know what it's like to have a full frame lens on an APC or APS-C, or having an E-mount lens that's not full frame on a full frame camera as the A7 III. So that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the next one.